Alright, wonderful. So today we are starting fun and useful Python tricks and not tricks and tips, but fun and useful Python script series. So this is the first video, and what we'll be doing today is creating a YouTube searcher, no distraction YouTube search. So what do I mean by that? Lately, what happened to me is I was spending so much time on YouTube, wasting time. I opened YouTube to search something useful, to search lectures or tutorials, but ended up wasting 2 hours in simply random things. I observed that whenever I open YouTube, the home page was I will scroll home page and spend too much time watching the recommended videos. So to stop that, I created this script, and I will be showing you today that. So what I'll do is I will open this new file. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create a GUI application with the help of tkinter, and we'll type anything. We'll type keyword there and it will redirect us to YouTube. We don't have to open YouTube and face the home page, which is very tempting. So import no from tkinter import. So we can either do it like this, or we can specifically import some things like what will first we need is, let me create root is equals to tk, and let and this rot dot root dot main loop. So many mistakes. Okay, so here it is. Let's check this. Okay, so we have not made any mistakes. So next thing what we want is a kind of a bar where we can type our query or keyword. So what is it called? Entry. Okay, so let me make it entry is equals to entry. And where do we want to place it? In the root. And what will be the font size? Let's say 5. Okay, so entry dot pack. Another thing what we want is a button. We want a button so that we can push the button and complete our query. So in the root, the text on it, what we want is YouTube search. Okay, and let's pack and check it out. Button is not defined. Okay, we have not imported it. Button. Okay, so here we are. Next thing what we want to do is define geometry. Let's make this a little bit bigger, say 350 into 70. Okay, that's good, that's fine. YouTube search. What next? What we want to do next is simply import web browser, which is Python's built-in library, and let's create a function, define a function which is, okay, let's say do this. And in that, what we want is, let's define a path which will be, so let's open YouTube. Hmm. And search something random thing, something random. So what we want is, we want this is the keyword we searched, and this is the path URL we want. So we'll say path is equals to this, and next thing what we'll do is web browser dot open will concatenate path with the keyword provided. And what will be the keyword is what we entered in this entry, this. And how to get it? We'll get it by get. Pretty simple. So I think every part is taken care of and we are ready to go. Let's run this and let's search something Python tutorial. It's not working. Why is it not working? Okay, so for we have to pass this parameter command. So many typing mistakes, what I am doing. Do this. So now this will work. We'll say syntax. Okay. Internet connection is pretty much slow. Ooh, syntax. I love you, syntax. Okay, so that's it for today. Fun and useful Python scripts. This is the part 1, and I will come up with more and more. And if you have something, share it with me on comments or my email ID. So you can find this script also on my GitHub page. I'll provide the link in the description. Okay, thank you guys.